Air India, but we are against shifting base of international flights to Mopa Airport by Air India. And we are also aware that Air India has not done this on its own, but they have been completely pressurized by the government to do this. I would just talk on 3 points today. First thing, the entire drama that's created of shifting the flights from Dabolim Airport to Mopa Airport is just a political stunt to put pressure on the South Goans to make them fear that if BJP does not come in power in the Lok Sabha 2024, then Dabolim Airport will not be functioning, and if they want this problem to be solved, then they have to be bringing back the BJP in power. Unfortunately, this drama is created by the BJP itself of bringing Mopa again here. Secondly, speaking of tourism and taxi businesses, it's definitely going to hit the taxi business because of the distance and the logistics. That's completely not in favor of any of the taxi owners. Thus, it will definitely affect the income of all the taxi drivers and the tourism business in South Goa. Let me take you back. The BJP government had told that once the Mopa Airport is functional, there won't be any effect on the people of South Goa, on its business, on the local taxi drivers. But today, we just see the opposite happening. This is a complete decision taken against the people of South Goa, and we want to awaken the people of South Goa that this problem has to be solved here. I would also like to tell you this, that the Mopa Airport that was launched by the BJP government is completely losing its face because of its completely unrealistic logistics again. It is completely in the remote places. So not only the taxi drivers and the people traveling from XYZ places to the airport, they find it inconvenient because it's completely inside.
एक सेंटराक आसा, एक गोंयान आसा. ही दोन्ही इंजिनां आज देश विकता. ते लोक थंय सेंटराक देश विकतात आनी गोंयकार हे गोंयचे जे सरकार आसा बीजेपीचे हे गोंय विकता. हेजी आमी तुमकां प्रूफ दितात. जे सेंटराक सरकार आसात तुम्ही पळयात, आज सगळ्यो मोठ्यो मोठ्यो कंपनी स्टार्टिंग विथ BSNL ह्या लोकांनी कश्यो पाड घातल्यो. They are giving a slow death to these companies. Essential services, airport, fuel, आमचे शिपिंग, आमचे पोर्ट्स, हे सगळे ह्या लोक आमचे आसा पळय ते विकतात. हेजे खातीर आवाज उठोवपाक लागून आज आमी जमल्यात. एक एग्जाम्पल म्हणल्यार आतां मोपा एअरपोर्ट जो प्रायवेटायज जाला, वो प्रायवेटायज जावप म्हणजे ही जी एसेन्शियल सर्व्हिस काढून प्रायव्हेट लोकांच्या हातीन दिवप.
सांगलेलें 29 जूनाक की इंटरनॅशनल एअरलायन्साचेर दबाव आसा हांगच्यान मोपा व्हरपाक, आनी तें सिद्ध जालें. आतां परवाच्यान हांगच्यान जी गेटवीक वचपाची आठवड्यातून 3 वेळाची फ्लायट ही मोपाच्यान स्टार्ट जातली. हळूहळू हो एअरपोर्ट सोंपोवपाचो हे षडयंत्र ह्या सरकाराचे हाचेर विरोध म्हणून आमी आज यूथ काँग्रेस हे आमचे फुडें सरल्या हे लोकां मुखार हाडपाक. हो एअरपोर्ट आसा तो सरकारी एअरपोर्ट. सरकारी जे कितें यंत्रणा आसा ती हळूहळू विकपाच्या मार्गार हो सरकार आसा, आनी मोपा एअरपोर्ट जो आसा तो प्रायव्हेट लोकांच्या हातान आसा. ताचो फायदो जावपाक हे ऑपरेशन काडलें.